Welcome to vlog number 11. In this vlog we're gonna take the Dumpster Xeon machine and we're gonna upgrade the memory. The machine is a dual Xeon 2.8 GHz with hyperthreading. It's a 32-bit machine with 3 GB of memory. And we're gonna upgrade the memory in this video to 8 GB. Hey, wait a minute, a 32-bit machine and 8 GB of memory, will that work? Yes, this motherboard is a ddr1 motherboard and per slot it supports a 2 GB stick. But to use 8 GB of memory on a 32-bit OS, there are limited options. One of the options is to install Linux. And the other option is to install Windows 2000 Advanced or Data Center Server and enable PAE port. I also gonna add an extra hard drive for the Windows 2000 Advanced Server installation, so I can keep this hard drive with the old installation of Windows 2000 Professional. Here we have the memory modules. The brand is MTech. They are 2 GB per stick, DDR 400 MHz, CL3 ECC registered. A few months ago I asked a friend of mine for memory for this machine for 4 sticks. He said, I don't have 4 sticks, but here you have a bag. It's full of 2 GB sticks. Good luck with it. So, as you can see, I have more than enough memory to try in this machine. Let's swap the memory. The memory is installed, so let's try it out. Let's check the system information. Memory size 8 GB DDR, so the memory is working. Let's boot into the Windows 2000 installation, which is already on this machine, and see how much memory it detects. The machine has detected 4 GB of memory, so that's good. I'm now gonna put in the other hard drive and install Windows 2000 Advanced Server and enable the memory support to use 8 GB of memory. The hard drive is a Maxtor Atlas 15000 RPM 73 GB Ultra 320 SCSI drive. If you want to install a drive in an HP machine like this, which is designed by Compaq, you need a special screw with a round head. Luckily I found 4, so I can easily install the hard drive. Just slide in the hard drive. Always check the little pins in the SCSI cable. They are very fragile. You can easily bend one. We are now ready to install Windows 2000 Advanced Server. Here I have the CD. And I have a floppy with the SCSI driver. Press F6 to install a third-party driver. The system didn't find any storage, so we're gonna specify an additional device. And it has found a driver for the Adaptec Ultra 320 SCSI card. The Windows 2000 installation is very straightforward from now, so I will continue the video when Windows is installed. Okay, Windows 2000 Advanced Server is now installed. It's now time for the drivers. That looks better than only 16 colors. Let's see if all the drivers are working. Okay, we have sound and we have internet. I'm running Internet Explorer 5 and it seems a little bit broken with current websites. Let's see if all the drivers are okay now. Okay, all the drives are installed now. Let's see how much memory the system has detected. It still sees 4 GB of memory, so we need to enable PAE. We need to edit the boot.ini to use all the memory in the system. Open with Notepad, and after the /fast detect we're gonna put /PAE. and then we close it. Let's reboot the system and see if it works. Okay, the system is booted. Let's log in and see how much memory it now detects. And we have 8 GB of memory working. The physical address extension is now working. The system uses 100 MB of memory right now, so we have still 7.9 GB left. So now I'm gonna show you why I need 8 GB of memory in the system. I think I hit a limit because I can't get it over 263 processors. And it only uses 235 MB of memory. So maybe I don't need 8 GB of memory in this system. I ran into a problem with the high memory support enabled. The sound driver doesn't work. If I boot the system without high memory support enabled, the sound card does work. So I did a quick Google search and I found out that some drivers are very tricky with PAE support. With normal applications there's really no need for 8 GB of memory under Windows 2000. So I will go back to Windows 2000 Professional and I'm just gonna run 4 GB of memory for the operating system, but I will keep 8 GB of memory on the motherboard. But I think it's really cool that it's possible to run 8 GB of memory under Windows 2000. Thanks for watching, please like and share this video, subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time.